Public Information Station, or PIS, proudly presents...
What is that? Oh, God!
And now, the thrilling conclusion of On a Rainy Road.
John, what was that?
Probably just some hounds.
John, there's something in the road.
Oh my God, it looks human, but it's so hairy.
It's a werewolf.
Quick, hand me the revolver in the glove box.
I'm scared.
Hey you! Don't come any closer, I'll fill you full of lead!
John, it's not stopping.
I mean it! Not a step closer!
Oh, John, is it dead?
I'm not sure. We better get out and check.
Pizza e peperoni, pasta,
God, it's hideous. I'm scared.
A car's approaching. What seems to be the problem, Jack?
We killed the werewolf.
I might not be the shiniest toaster in the tub, but that ain't no werewolf. That's Mama Pastoroni. She owns the Italian place off Main. She must have been walking home. She lives right up the road. It's a woman? Well, what about all the fur? I think that's just their way. It's European.
Oh, John, what did you do?
I better call Sheriff. You two should come with me. You really thought it was a werewolf? What are you, retarded?